In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select airplane mode, and all you need to do is to tap on the switcher. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got the plane icon, which is for airplane mode, and you can deactivate this feature the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. But you can also have a quick access to your airplane mode through the upper bar, through the control center. Just slide it up, and here you've got the airplane mode icon. Smoothly click, and now it is active. To deactivate it, tap on it again, and that's it. As you can see, networks are back in use. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.